G'day YouTube, it's Shane here once again, and today this video is being recorded on my DJI Neo. It's a drone, it's amazing, and this is like a gimbal camera, so as I move it around up and down it will to a certain degree actually track me. It's quite good so far. It has voice commands and stuff like that. Now I know there are better models and things like this, but I just wanted this as something I could learn to practice on. It's on sale right now, very cheap. Eventually I'll upgrade to like a first person view, goggle system or something like that, but it's pretty cool. Anyway, I'll catch you soon. I might include some video footage if I figure out how to do it. Yeah, look after yourselves. Bye for now. There's no audio in this bit, so I'm doing a voiceover. I'm currently using manual mode to direct the drone. So what I'm doing is actually pushing the drone backwards, or telling it to go backwards. I'm walking so you can see how far away it is. I do it again, and then I push the drone up, and then just adjust it a little bit, and then I use voice commands. The first one is land, and the second one is land drone, and you'll see it drop into my hand. I forgot to film an outro, so if you like this video, please click like, subscribe, click the bell icon if you want to be notified the moment I upload anything at all. And this video is the previous video, and this video has been chosen for you by the algorithm. Bye for now.